Hey guys, it's Christina XL and I'm here in my first YouTube video. I'll be showing you guys my highly requested skincare routine. But before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe, and my social media handles will be above. Now, before I tell you guys about the actual products that I use, I would like to say that I have combination skin, which means that my skin is drier around the perimeter of my face and oilier on my nose and T-zone. I also have fragrance sensitive skin, so I cannot use products with a lot of fragrances in it. And 3, I don't have acne prone skin, so I don't get a lot of bumps or anything. I do get blackheads and my skin does get dry, but that's about it. So with that being said, take the products that I use with a grain of salt, but do be open to the idea that these products may or may not work for you. Now, the first step in my skincare routine is I wash my face. There are 2 things that I use to wash my face. One is the Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. I use this because it is oil free and it doesn't dry my face. It's very gentle and it gets the job done. The second facial thing that I use is African black soap, not the Shea Moisture kind, but the actual raw African black soap. I use that because it really does get away those random sporadic moments of having acne in a couple of days. I get that from, I'm not sure where I get that from. My dad gets it from me, but if I can find out where he gets it from, I will link it in the description box below. So when I wash my face, I like to use a spin brush. I use AcneFree skin brush. I got this from Target, as well as the facial cleanser. I only use this at night though, because I just feel like it's too harsh to use every single day. But it's simple to just turn on, and there's a fast setting, and that was the slow setting. This is the faster setting. So I use the faster setting and I just put the facial thing on my face and I rub it in, and then I put it on here, and I do this as well for a couple of minutes, and this really does help to exfoliate every night. And after that, I go in with an astringent. I use the Equate Beauty Original Clean Astringent for sensitive skin, and this is the deep cleansing version. I use this because it helps to get away that excess dirt and stuff that's in your pores that you can't really see or think that you get when you wash your face. Another good one to use is witch hazel. This also does a very good job of cleaning your face. I just prefer this one because it cleans deeper for me and it's for sensitive skin. After that, I go in with my toner, which is something I made myself. It is apple cider vinegar and water. There are 2 parts apple cider vinegar and 1 part water in this mixture. This is really good. Apple cider vinegar is really good for restoring the pH balance in your face, so this is what I use to do so. I apply my astringent and my toner with just a cotton swab. I just put it on there and I wipe my face with it and I throw it away and we're done. And then after that, I use the very famous Badescu rosewater spray. Honestly, if you haven't heard of this product already, you're living under a rock, because every single beauty guru uses this. They all recommend it, and I recommend it as well. This is very good for moisturizing your face. Very good moisturizing your face. Very good at setting your makeup. There's also a way smaller version that you can just put on your purse to go. So when you're walking around the town and you feel that your face is a little dry, just spritz your face with this and you'll be moisturized again. After that, I have 2 moisturizers. The first moisturizer I use is bio oil. This oil is really good for hydrating dehydrated skin. It's very good with helping acne scars and stretch marks, but I just use it for the dehydrated skin, especially in the winter time, because my face gets extremely dry and brittle in the winter, and this is just a good barrier for the elements. And after that, I go in with my Badescu Kera moisturizer. I got this from Ulta along with the Badescu spray, and when I went in, I asked the dermatologist about what I should do, and she recommended this because 1, I already use the moisturizer spray, and it's good to be consistent in your regimen, and 2, this is just a very good moisturizer. They also have a honey version, which is not as moisturizing as this one according to the dermatologist, so I picked up this one, but it's really, really good, and I recommend it. With the bio oil and the moisturizer, a little does go a long way, so don't use too much of them. Now, when I do my facial, all these products are things that I do day and night, every day, faithfully, but there are facial masks that I like to do as well. And the first facial mask I would like to show you guys is the Freeman Beauty Avocado and Oatmeal Clay Mask. I got this from Target or Walmart, one of the two. And it's very good to moisturize your face and just tighten your pores. I apply this with a foundation brush because it's just less messier to me. But I have noticed that people with drier skin don't like this product as much because it's a little too drying for their already dry skin. So if you have dry skin, I wouldn't recommend this for you. Another thing that I like to use is the Vena Beauty Black Mask. This is a charcoal mask, and this is good for getting unclogging your pores and getting all the excess dirt and things and blackheads and whiteheads. And the good thing about this one is that besides the Chinese version, it doesn't hurt. A lot of the times when you go on YouTube and you see like the peel off mask challenge, it's of people doing the mask and it's peeling off their hair and it hurts and they're crying, and this does not do that. I have a very low pain tolerance, and I know people with very low pain tolerances as well, and they have all tried this product and like it because it's no pain. So I recommend this definitely. And again, take what I say with these products with a grain of salt, but I would like to know in the comment section if you have tried these products because of me, or if you've never tried the products but you want to try the products, or you used it before. Just tell me how you guys feel about it. Let me know in the comments. Again, comment and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later for another video.